Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For today's video is we are going to cook sardines with eggs. Very simple dish but delicious. Ayan, as you can see mga kaibigan, I beat 6 eggs here. Ayan. So we are going to use or add our eggs after our sauteing our sardines. As you can see, I'm already adding my olive oil. Ayan. Then next, our onions. I use lots of onions because I love onions in my cooking, guys. Ayan, tons of onions. Smells really good if you put a lot of onions. Ayan. So I'm just sauteing my onions and now I'm adding my garlic. Ayan. I'm using minced garlic but you can use fresh garlic. So we just need to saute our onions and garlic for 1 to 2 minutes. And at this point mga kaibigan, this is ready. Let's add our sardines. I got these sardines in Dollar Tree or dollar store mga kaibigan. $1.25. Ayan. So these sardines is big sardines mga kaibigan, no? As you can see, the sardines is the fish is big. Ayan. So we just need to mix it. Slowly mixing our sardines and eggs. At this point mga kaibigan, I need to cut it or we need to smash our sardines, no? We need to cut into like half, something like that, because the fish is big fish, no? At this point mga kaibigan, we are ready to add our eggs. And po mga kaibigan, smells really good right now, guys. Ayan. So yeah, this recipe, like what I said, super duper simple and easy but delicious. Then we just need to continue mixing our sardines and our eggs, no? We just need to bring our eggs into the middle, no, of the pan, so that we still have the firm eggs, not crumbly or brainy texture. Ayan. Smells really good, guys. I'm adding ground black pepper or paminta right now. Then we can add our magic sarap, but this is optional, Filipino seasoning. I also add Guya seasoning. This is Mexican seasoning, but this is optional. If you don't like it or if you don't have it, you can use or you can add salt. Ayan. So we just need to mix our sardines and bring our sardines and eggs in the middle of the pan mga kaibigan, no? Ayan, to keep our eggs firm, not super brainy texture. Ayan, so we just need to continue our eggs and our sardines mixing. At this point, I'm adding all-in-one seasoning, but this is optional mga kaibigan, or Italian seasoning, but that seasoning is optional. So we continue mixing mga kaibigan until mag-evaporate yung sauce. Ayan, at this point mga kaibigan, this is it, pancit. Ready na po ang ating sardines with eggs. Ayan, as you can see, I'm scooping my steamed rice, hot steamed rice, jasmine rice. So good mga kaibigan. Ayan. So yeah, this is my simple dinner. Ayan po, dinner with simple recipe and delicious and cheap. $1.25 the sardines and let's see, 6 eggs. Let's see back for that. So let's see, $2, maximum of $3 dish. Super simple but yummy. Ayan mga kaibigan, no? As you can see, I already tasted and I love it. Ayan, the combination of all the seasoning and the sardines and eggs with rice, perfect. Simply delicious. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, please click like and subscribe. Bye.